My name is Neharani Mondal. I am a student of TYBMS at Vidyalanka School of Information Technology, Mumbai. And I am also a core committee member of Enactus, the management club of BMS department. You all are thinking why am I here now and whatsoever, but I am here to talk about one of the today's trend. Now, in pandemic, we all know are either teaching from home or learning from home to upgrade our skills. Employees are working from home and employees are scolding and so on. Nah, I am not an advisor, not a doctor, but today I am here to talk about a trend that is adopted by most of the corporate world, that is ergonomics. What is ergonomics? Ergonomics is the process of designing or arranging workplace products and systems so that they fit the people who use them. Most people have heard about the term ergonomics and think it is something to do with the sitting or with the design of car controls and instruments, and it is, but it is so much more. Ergonomics applies to the design of anything that involves people, workplace, sports, and leisure, health, and safety. Ergonomics is the vital part of HR for carrying various key functions. Ergonomics refers to the study of how people interact with their working environment and then adjusting that environment to improve efficiency, all while reducing the chance for injury and optimizing well-being and productivity.
What is ergonomics? Ergonomics aim to improve workspaces and environments to minimum risks of injuries or harm. Ergonomics is a process of designing, of arranging workplace, product, systems so that they fit the person who uses them.
Okay, let's simplify this. Let me tell you guys one interesting fact. Do you know that the Seattle-based company Amazon is suggesting its employees who are working from home set up an ergonomic workplace in their home itself so that their working efficiency increases and they don't get tired easily. Okay, so now you know the technical word of ergonomics. Now I have a few serious questions for you. In this pandemic, how many of you are suffering from numerous kind of aches or pain which you haven't suffered yet? Any? What kind of back pain? No, you are not getting old. Getting colored blindness or eye strains? But you are not blind. Don't worry. Do you have a headache? No, you are not the boss. But क्या करना है इसका? To work from home in this pandemic, many of the employees, employer, teachers, supervisor, head of the department, students, colleagues are now working from home, transforming kitchen, tables, and bedroom into temporary home office or learning places. Many are working under less than ideal ergonomic condition. A kitchen chair that is too low, a table that is too high. You get the idea. Poor ergonomy can make or break your work from home experience. Now we all know कि work from home setup अब ऑनलाइन में मिलता है, जिनको खरीदना है तो जाके बुक भी कर लेंगे. And now we all have heard about दादी माँ के नुस्खे. Yes, I'm giving you a few ideas or homemade nuskhes that can be done or not done while you're working. So, here are few do's and don'ts of ergonomic at home. Few points on do's of ergonomics at home. Do work at appropriate height. Why? Finding a work height so that your elbows naturally fall flush with your table and desk height. This will promote better wrist alignment rather than impingement or carpal tunnel stress. Do use of office chair if possible. Adjustable features of an office task chair will save you from lumbar and neck discomfort. Do follow the 20-20-20 rule. Why? For every 20 minutes spent looking at the computer screen, you should spend 20 seconds looking at something else 20 feet away. This gives your eye muscles a break and help reduce eye strain. Do customize a space to fit you. Try to set up a workstation that you can make entirely your own. Do make sure you get up and walk around. The goal is to get in as many steps as possible during the day, even if you are at home instead of on campus. Let's have a recap.
Ergonomic do's for those working from home. Do work at an appropriate height. Find a working height so that your elbows naturally fall flush with your table's height. Customize the space to fit you. Customizing your own space can help you to work effectively without distraction. Do use office chair as possible. Accessible feature on ergonomic chair will save you from lumbar and neck discomfort. Do follow 20-20-20 rule to reduce effect of digital eye strain. Take a break for 20 seconds and look at something 20 feet away every 20 minutes.
Now let's have a look on few don'ts of ergonomics at home. Don't hunch over a laptop. It's easy to work on a laptop for few hours on the weekend, but doing so for 40 plus hours a week can lead to back, shoulder and neck strain. Don't give up on your current chair. If you do not have the option of an office chair, there are some household items you can use to help you adjust. Putting a firm cushion or tightly folded towel under your buttocks will raise your hips and increase the curve of your spine, making sitting more comfortable. Don't let your feet dangle. Why? Place your feet on a few books or boxes under your desk so that your thighs are nearly parallel to the floor and your hips are slightly higher than your knees. This will reduce on your lumbar spine. Don't turn your couch into a workstation. Although it may be comfortable, having your legs or full body in a vertical position can lead to muscle numbness and discomfort. Don't skip your lunch and make sure you stay hydrated. Making a meal, staying hydrated allows you to stand up, walk around, and let your eyes have a rest under the computer screen. Let's have a recap.
Ergonomic don't for those working from home. Don't hunch over your computer. Sit up with your back straight and keep your shoulder relaxed. Don't clutter your workspace. Clear workspace will help you to focus, plus you will have all the essential items within reach. Don't turn your couch into workstation. Don't dangle your feet. Keep your feet flat on the floor or use footrest. Don't skip your lunch and make sure you stay hydrated. Eating meal and staying hydrated gives you opportunity to stand up, walk around and let your eye have rest from computer screen.
I hope you are clear about do not follow rule. These are the few points that you can do while working from home in a pandemic. अब कोविड-19 ने ऑलरेडी एक्शन लेके रखा है, why to stress more by all this? These are the few points that you can do while working from home in a pandemic. I hope you guys will follow the do's and don'ts and keep yourself healthy and safe. I hope you like this video. Thank you for listening and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.